This week we learned 7 brand new words in Master Azerbaijani. Let's see what they were because we have a weekly recap today. We learned how to say VAXT, the most important asset, time, moment, occasion. We learned how to say cheeky, brazen or impudence with SIRTIQ. We learned how to say SEVİNMEK, to be happy, to be glad, rejoice. We learned perfection with MÜKEMMEL, excellent. We learned DÜNÄN, yesterday, the previous day. We learned DOİRU, correct, right, or towards. And we learned how to be quiet and calm with SAKİT. Let's see what dad jokes uses I had for these words. Don't forget to SEVİN about small wins too. I'm always DOİRU, just ask me. The last minute code fix was MÜKEMMEL, or is MÜKEMMEL. Nothing ever breaks after that. My favorite meeting style is SAKİT. No drama, just results. Stop giving me that SIRTIQ smile. It's working and you know it. Let's do a little quiz. Which word means to rejoice? Drop in the comment below if you know the answer, and don't worry about letters that you don't have in your keyboards or consider adding them. Otherwise, just type in whatever the closest match you think is. We are starting next week with brand new 7 words. Make sure to come back to check them every single day because remember, consistency is the fluency. I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new word. Until then, check masterozerbaijani.com if you're interested in learning Azerbaijani much more deeper and find ways. Cheers.